What's cracking, y'all? Back with another 240 video. I hope you guys are enjoying these little series of the car. And if you haven't already, go ahead, check out my last video. I just threw on these 19-inch 350Z wheels. Also got rid of some camber up front. So if you haven't already, go ahead, check that out. That way you're like fully up to date on the build and what I'm doing to the car. What we're gonna be doing in today's video is we're gonna be installing these taillights. The car currently has the OEM ones, and I just can't seem to like them. I really hate orange, so these gotta go. I would tint these right here red and leave this, but I just simply hate orange on lights. Just from jump, I've never seemed to like it, and whether it's on the front or the rear, I just can't do it. Here's my brother's Miata. We also got rid of the orange on his car, as well as the red in the rear. I just think it looks way cleaner. This is fine, I don't really mind that, but this definitely needs to go to clear. But other than that, that little stuff's fine. But yeah, these taillights are just not doing it for me. Just seeing them compared to the old ones, it just gives it a whole different look. It's crazy how lights change up a car so much. But yeah, there's that. Let's get started. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take. I do know you have to use a heat gun in order to take these lights out, so let's see what goes down. One thing I just wanted to show you guys was this little Sylvia emblem and how it just turns like that and turns into a keyhole. That's so sick to me. Yeah, little details like that are so cool to me. And let's get started. Pop that trunk. All right, y'all, so I just took out that rear panel on the 40. That way I have more room to take out all the bolts right here. So it's gonna be one right here, another one, another one, another one. So 4 right there, and then 2 on the sides right there. So after that, your tail light should start coming out, and if it doesn't, use that handy dandy heat gun and it should pop right out. So as y'all could see, this side doesn't really have any seal going, and this side has way more. That's why this is all coming out so easily, and left side is still jammed in there. So we're gonna use the heat gun right there. I'm gonna try my best to remove both of these right now, and I'll let y'all know how it goes. All right, quick update. My dumbass did not take one of the bolts out, and I was over here trying hella hard to pull that shit out. So pro tip, make sure all the bolts are off before you start trying to yank it off. Me over here, on the other hand, almost broke the damn thing. But here we are, have both of the tail lights off now. They honestly came off pretty easily. I think the previous owner might have taken them off before. That way they were not super jammed on there. I know other people have a super hard time taking them off. Yeah, everything went pretty smoothly for me. I'm gonna throw the other lights on. It's literally just gonna be plug and play. We have these lights sitting right here that are just gonna literally connect to them. And after that, we should be ready to go. I'm gonna clean up this little area right here, because why not, since the lights are out. Look at that. That's probably like 30-year-old dirt right there. God damn. They complement the wheels so nice. Check this out. Damn, let me just close the trunk for a second. Yeah, way better. Way better. So, like I was saying before, you have to seal these lights back up. But I just remembered I'm gonna be doing a color change on the car, so I think I'm gonna just throw the lights on like this. Plus, it's not gonna rain anytime soon. Only thing I'm afraid of is car washes, but yeah, I'm not too worried about it. Just gonna leave them on like this for now, and let me show you guys once I wrap everything back up. All right, finally done. Put it all back together again. And remember, I'm not gonna be sealing these up just because I'm probably gonna whip them out again when I wrap the car. That way I can get all these little corners. But for now, this is it. I'm probably gonna be swapping some LED bulbs in there for the brake lights, and then the reverse as well, just because I like doing that type of stuff. And here we are, the finished product. Way better than the old ones. I think it just looks much cleaner, and it gives the car a little updated look. Doesn't look as old, and it contrasts nicely with the wheels. Like that chrome right there, and the wheels just look that much better. And might as well do a little walk around on the car. Again, if you haven't seen my previous video of throwing these 19s on the car, go ahead and check it out. I'm in love with how the fitment is now compared to before. Way better. I gotta say, super impressed with the fitment. Everything is damn near spot on. You know, we gotta hit that little hazard light check. Yes, sir. Way cleaner. I'm in love. Always got to do the hazard light check. If you know me personally, I love turn signals on cars, especially if that LED shit. Your boy is just, man, you just got to do a hazard check. But enough of the BS. I hope you guys like how these taillights look compared to the old ones. And that's about it. Let me turn those bad boys off. And we'll close out today's video. Gotta slam these old cars' doors shut. I always catch myself having it a little open because I didn't push it hard enough. So, you know, just learning old car things. Drop a comment down below how you guys like these taillights. Again, I can't stop staring at the car after this. It literally looks so much cleaner. Oh my God. Damn. The car's coming along so good, and I'm extremely hyped to do other things to it, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos as well. Little 240 S13 series. A simple taillight mod like that can change the whole car, and it's just unbelievable. Sylvia emblem looks so nice next to that chrome right there. All right, y'all, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know down in the comments below how you guys like these taillights. Me personally, you guys already know I'm in love over here. Can't even stop staring at them, just like, damn, that's all I could say. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you're new. We're on the road to 2K. Appreciate all the love and support as always. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. And with a snap of a finger, the new lights should be on. Bam. There are the new tail lights.